What's up, guys? And today we are playing. What's the game's name? Brawler. I don't know how it's pronounced, but okay. And with we have my two friends, which don't. Can somebody say hello,
Hello.
please?
Uh, to be fair, only Ayush knows how to play this game. He has played this a lot.
Yes, and my name is. I am Ember, the girl. Like, no, I'm not the girl, but the person with the ball, right? You just take. Oh, Aman is already dead.
Okay, I
Okay.
just fell. I just fell.
Oh wait, I need some. I need the sword thing. I need a. Okay, now that I have the sword thing, I can kill y'all.
Jeez. Oh my god, man. Who is this guy?
I am me. Okay, okay. Aman is going to die the first. I'm going to vote on that. Okay, I just gonna. Okay, it's a fight between me and this other person. So.
Okay, this is hard for me. I'm trying my best.
Oh, can somebody face me? I'm bored here. Oh yeah, Adi is gone.
Okay, I'm
All right, Adi is
Oh my
gone now.
God.
I killed Adi.
No.
I killed Adi. Yeah, I killed Adi. I'm Ember, by the way, the person who is killing everybody. That hammer is.
Oh, Aman is.
Oh wow,
Serious.
Oh, Aman is pissed off. Oh, Aman is good, but oh wow. Oh, Aman just knocked me down. This is the first time that somebody has knocked me down, like one of y'all.
Take that. Take that.
I need a sword, man.
Yes. No.
Okay, and Aman is. I don't believe that Aman is doing this. I thought he was not a threat, but he's better than Adi right now, for some reason.
No.
Oh no.
What did you say? I'm not going to say.
Okay, probably not.
No.
But he with that hammer,
No.
he's kind of playing good, alright.
Hammer.
The hammer, and I'm going to bring a hammer next time because I know I'm going to take the character which will. Oh wow.
Wow.
I need my bow and arrow and my fox. Oh wow, I just killed Aman. You saw the.
Okay,
thing?
I'm dead.
Oh, you're dead. All your 3 lives. So it's between me and
But
Adi.
it was a good try.
Yeah, it was a good try. Like better than last times.
Yeah.
Adi is dead. No, Adi is dead. Yeah, Adi is dead. I won. No, he has one more life. Adi has one more life, guys.
Let me grab the sword.
Okay, now this is the final fight. Not final. I have another life. You don't have another life. So
You know.
should I kill myself just to make it fun? Like one life.
Yes, yeah. 1v1. Do it.
Okay, I didn't want to, but okay, let's just do it. Okay, now the final fight. I think Adi can win this one, but I don't know if what I did was right, but okay, why not? This is the final fight. All right, Adi, you're dying, gonna die. Yeah. Yes. I. Oh yes, I won.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one.
So now we are back in the second round. I won the first round, and this time I'm this. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I'm that guy with the beard. So
Rock guy. I call him the rock guy.
okay, the rock guy. Yeah, let's just call him the rock guy.
The rock.
I need. Okay, so I bought this player, so they are not.
Oh my god, the hammer. Dude, the hammer. Yeah. It's OP.
You think so? Oh yeah. Let me show you my hammer.
no. Okay, you both fight. I need a sword. Okay. This is
Come.
done for now. Yo. Okay, die. No.
I'm not able to get him there. Actually, this is a really OP character. Did you see that smash, Aman?
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, that was cool.
Thanks. If I did
Okay,
that.
I'm playing very good. I don't know why. I know. I did not expect it.
Oh wow, I think I'm going down first. I'm down.
Yeah, you're dead.
This is the first time I died like the first time.
This is the first time. Oh no. What are you saying?
I am saying what I should. This is the first time I died the first time.
Oh man. I was about to die. No.
I need my hammer. So I'm just going to get that.
No, you
So
don't. No.
I got it.
No, you don't. No.
Okay.
What's up with Aman, man? Oh, wow, this dude came. That's an ambush. Even though I can see you, that's an ambush, all right. You can't just come from behind. That's disrespectful. I'm just kidding. Just do it. All right.
Obviously, I can.
Oh, did you see that shot?
Okay.
I kicked you both.
Oh, did you see that? That was a
Okay,
god.
I'm back.
That was sick. But then he just came back somehow. I don't know. Oh,
No.
oh my god. He's.
Oh my god.
That's why this.
What the hell was that?
That's the power of the beard guy, all right. Oh shit, that shot was amazing.
No. Yes. It's going well for me.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, I'm dying, man. The best player
Oh yeah, you only
here is
have
dying.
like.
Adi's winning. So I need to get my hammer just to kill you both.
No, come back. Don't get a. No.
Okay, now you're gonna die.
Go away.
I think I should stick with Ember for the next time. Cause this guy's.
I'm Amber.
I took
Oh, that was a good one.
you know my my combo which I play with is Ember, this dude, and some other alien guy. Okay, I killed Ember.
Yeah.
Oh, she's back.
That's all right.
I mean, I killed Adi and Adi is back.
This match, whatever it's called, fight is going very well right now.
Yeah, for you.
I killed.
Okay, nice one. Someone killed me.
It was me. Why am I doing this?
I just went silent for like.
Oh, Adi has 2 lives.
Consent.
Oh wow, Adi won. So back to the third round, and I think the fight is going to end with Ember versus Ember.
Okay.
I'm underestimating Aman here. I know he can do it, but still, I'm like, I want to get my things.
Yeah, I mean, this is my first time playing, so like, I know.
Oh wow, you. Okay, Ember versus Ember. Here we go. The first fight, first chapter, whatever.
No, I'm gonna fall.
Yes, I killed Aman. Yay!
I fell.
No, you didn't jump. I pushed you and you didn't
Yeah,
jump. I'm gonna kill
I
you
know
again.
That you killed me basically by.
Oh wow,
throwing me off.
nice shot. Okay, I'm gonna destroy Aman right here. Oh wow, you know what just happened, Adi? We literally hit
I saw it.
both of us. We literally hit both of us, and it's just sick. But that's good. Oh my gosh, somebody hit me. I'm about to die. Okay, I'm just going up. I'm just shooting. I need the thing. Okay, just getting intense. All right.
Oh my god.
Okay, Aman, come with me. Aman, let's go. I'm gonna kill you. You can't be saved. All right. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill somebody. I don't care.
Oh,
I'm just
I'm
sitting.
gonna die.
Oh wow.
Oh no.
Oh, Adi killed me.
That was amazing. Oh,
The Adi has started to get the grip of the game.
that was amazing, man. What a shot. Oh my
Take
god.
Oh.
that. Take that.
That was good.
Take that.
Aman.
Oh wow, Aman is getting good at this game, and this is annoying me because like that hammer is irritating.
Yes. Yes.
What?
He just killed me.
Fun.
Oh, he didn't kill me.
No, I didn't kill him.
Dude, his hammer is amazing.
Yeah, it's just the weapon and the character he's using.
Oh
No.
I'm scared of Aman's hammer right now. Like it's just so annoying.
The hammer.
Yeah. Oh, I need this. Okay, shit. Oh, I just got these stupid swords.
Later.
Hey, let me take the thing and then we'll
No,
do
no,
this.
no, 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 no. No way.
Oh, that's not fair if you don't let me take the thing. But you didn't let me, so I just got it for myself. I'm like, calm down. I told you it was going to end with Ember versus Ember. I'm correct.
You are so quick, man.
I know. Yes, I did it. Now, this time I'm not going to give my life because that will be a decision that can cost my victory.
Oh, you are right beside the.
Oh wow, oh shit. That was a chance. Oh, you got another one. Okay, that's fair. Why not?
No, what am I?
What the hell are you doing?
Yes, you should just go and get the other one, man. Just get that other one. Yes, you got it. Finally. Now this is the fight between the embers. Oh wow. Okay.
Oh my god.
My beast is gonna kill you.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, yeah, mock me how much ever you want because
Don't
you're going
underestimate
down.
Yeah, last time I think he won.
Yeah, he won last time. But this is the last round, so let's see who wins.
Yeah.
Whoever wins is takes the full victory of everything.
Oh bye. Oh bye.
Oh,
Oh bye.
1v1.
Okay, I need to go. Oh no! I just sacrificed. Hadi, this is that's no. You won 2 in a row because freaking I sacrificed myself by mistake.
Please subscribe to LLKS.
Or you'll
live
die.
life inside.
Just kidding.
No, you'll not die. You'll get amazing content, and that's it. Like, y'all.
Boo.